All right, here we are today. Gonna take a little hike, get out of that RV. My God, these are some bad days, aren't they, with this coronavirus thing? But anyway, this is a hike down here on the Coosa River. It's called Logan Martin Lake. So I'm gonna take a little hike and look around here and try to get some exercise. This place is about 20 minutes from where I live. This is the dam part. There's a park down here. There's a kids playground up there, which is closed, but the people here in Alabama are trying to keep recreational areas open for the most part, in places where people can keep a distance. But over there is the Logan Martin hydroelectric dam, and I'm going to drive over there in a little while after this hike and get a little better look at it. And they have a fishing pier, and I don't know what that is out there. Maybe that's like a swimming platform. I don't know if you'll be able to see it in this clip or not. Let's walk out here, why not? There's some real pretty something yellow growing over there all through here. So there's nobody here today much. It's a little cool. They said our temperatures were running like 8 or 10 degrees below normal. It's only supposed to get like 69 today or something. Who knows what that platform is out there? Guess you can swim out there and fish, huh? And there's a turtle's head stuck up, but look. And the dam. Well, this is a easy walk. I'm probably gonna have about 3 miles in it when all is said and done, but it's a nice easy path, pretty level. I don't imagine there'll be any big up and down hills. Cut right through the thick Alabama forest. Through the longleaf pines. How many of you have ever seen a wood decoration fire hydrant? Looks like it's made out of some natural limbs somebody's cut. Pretty cool. I don't know the reason for it, but there it is. about my fishing, I probably have a reel with me today, but I can't get my driver's license because the county offices are closed, and I'm going to give it a couple of weeks to open back up. If they don't, I'll just go spring the money for a non-resident. But boy, I hate buying a non-resident fishing license here in my home territory, especially since when you're over 65 in Alabama, just like down in Florida, you don't have to have a fishing license. Hunting license either, I don't think, but I don't hunt. There goes an osprey, I didn't get it. But there are a couple of guys out there fishing right now. There are two bass boats. Look at all that debris out in the water from all that wind and everything we had. I mean, it was just stuff floating everywhere. But anyway, I don't know if they'll get the county offices open back up in a couple of weeks or not, because I can't get tags, can't get the driver's license, and I'm not carrying on about it because everybody's in the same boat. I don't think the lady at the county office, when I called down there was somebody to answer the phone, said that she didn't think cops would be giving anybody a hard time right now, that they probably had enough to worry about. So anyway, that's the deal on that. But I will sometime next week, I'm gonna go put that kayak. There's a boat launch. It's about 2¼ miles from my house. And get off of there, bud. So I'm at least gonna go down and do some paddling. Hopefully this stuff will lighten up and we can get back a little bit to normal here in not too long. We'll see. Well, this is cool. If you wanted to carry all your picnicking stuff this far down this trail, I'm glad I'm huffing and puffing a little bit, try to oxygenate my blood a little bit. But there's a pretty nice gazebo. Somebody to come have a picnic. Made out of mostly natural, rustic looking stuff. Got some man-made lumber down at the bottom. The rest of it looks pretty natural. And we're back over by the dam again. So I guess our hike is about to come to an end, but stay tuned for a little look at that dam because it's actually pretty interesting. Okay, I was gonna show everybody this dam, but they've changed this up. Down here where all these buildings are, people used to be able to go down there and park, and they had a fishing platform out there, and you can see that water rushing out of there right now. So they're generating power at the dam, and a lot of times a year, I guess if it's a little warmer or whatever, there are all kind of boats that come up the river and sit there and fish. And when they open up those turbines to generate that power, then it chews up a whole bunch of bait fish and puts all this food out of the dam. And those fish have learned that. And so they get up in there and people catch a lot of fish, especially some really big catfish and some stripers. But I wish I could have shown you all that, but I can't. They've got it all closed off now. But there are about I think 5 of these dams on this river. This is the Coosa River, and this dam here backs up water where I was just hiking, called Logan Martin. And there's several on this river. I'm not going to name them all off. But anyway, so that's the end of that. Wish I could have showed it to you.